Awesome ride, beautiful, great terrain. Should experience this.
It's been an awesome trip. It's exceeded expectations on all fronts, and we've had a super time with Rohan and his crew. Overall it's been brilliant, and in the last 17 years I've been riding a Bullet, and this is the first time that we've got outstanding support on all fronts.
But it's been some trip. I think everything's been fantastic. The organization, to the support, and looking forward to the next one.
We passed on through different sort of terrains, slush, mud, stones, river crossings, bridges, broken bridges, you name it, we had it.
And super passionate team. I think I'm really happy with the whole trip, and yeah, I think we should do more of this. Awesome.
Best ride of my lifetime, riding through dense jungles, riding through the night, riding through thick fog, riding through rain, mist, sand, gravel, and with an excellent crew to support us. Something that I will remember for the rest of my life. Cheers.
This is an awesome trip, an awesome team to be with. The whole team was amazing. It was a bumpy ride, but an awesome ride. I will always remember. That's it.